The power of ancient remedies. How time-tested healing practices can improve your health. Ancient remedies have been used for centuries as a natural way to promote healing, boost immunity, and improve overall well-being. From honey's antibacterial properties to garlic's infection-fighting abilities, many of these remedies are still widely used today. With modern medicine often focused on synthetic solutions, more people are returning to these ancient practices to find natural, effective alternatives to improve their health. One of the most powerful ancient remedies is honey, which has been used for thousands of years as a natural wound healer. Its antibacterial properties help prevent infections and promote faster healing. Similarly, garlic is well known for its ability to fight infections and boost the immune system. Studies have shown that garlic's active compound, allicin, has powerful antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects. Elderberry is another ancient remedy that has been used for centuries to boost immunity, especially during cold and flu season. Its antioxidant properties help protect the body from illness and promote faster recovery.